My name is Ross Kenney. I'm the UAS Sales and Support Lead for Navigation Electronics out of Lafayette, Louisiana. Navigation Electronics is based out of Lafayette, Louisiana, and we cover the southeastern United States. We are the Microdrones dealer for Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, also Florida, Georgia, and the Memphis area of Tennessee. We've been a Microdrones dealer since about 2015. What makes NEI special as a company is, number one, their customer-oriented focus. They've been around since 1988. They're also a Trimble dealer. And so I think really from that standpoint, I look at all of our customers as almost like extended family. A few years ago, what made NEI or caught NEI's attention when they started to research drones and figuring out, which drone system would be best for their customers, it became clear very quickly that Microdrones had a lot of the same business practices that NEI has. They were very customer oriented, focused on delivering a very high quality training and support system for their customers so that they would get the most out of their investment. It's always refreshing to see, even to this day, having been doing this for about 3 years now with Navigation Electronics, it's so refreshing to see that excitement on the faces of our customers when they discover what aerial LiDAR can do for the first time on their projects. For instance, when you take a 100-acre topographic survey that our customers know how long, 2, 3, 4 weeks in the past that a project of that kind would take, when you can come in and perform a project like that in a matter of 2 to 3, 4 hours in the field, and maybe just a few more hours back at the office processing and classifying all the data, that really presents a light bulb moment, so to speak, for our customers. They finally start to realize that these aerial LiDAR systems from Microdrones are a truly transformative technology. And I really foresee that in the near future, these systems will be viewed no differently than a GPS unit, something that they cannot live without. And I think that's where we're heading for these advanced systems like aerial LiDAR systems from Microdrones. In my off time, some of my hobbies, I love to go bow fishing with some friends of mine. So bow fishing in South Louisiana is always a blast. We go bow fishing for redfish in the marshes south of Houma, Louisiana. That's always a blast. I love doing that. I love music. I'm definitely also a faithful person. I love going to church, love singing in church. All of those things are some of my hobbies.